Hey guys, I'm Akshay from Beebom.com, and Flipkart and Motorola recently unveiled their brand new 65-inch smart TV, and I've been wanting to check it out ever since. Well, this right here is the new 65-inch Motorola TV. Yeah, this is a TV that's been getting a lot of hype, and it recently arrived in an office, so I thought I would give you my first impressions on the TV. But before we do that, how about you hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post an awesome new video. Now that you've done that, let's get started. So this is the Motorola TV in all its 4K 65-inch glory, and just looking at the TV here, it's clear that this is a premium looking TV that matches other established brands. It is sleek, which is great, and the soundbar on the bottom here adds good character to the design aesthetic that Motorola has gone with here. There's also the metallic stand, which is easy to install and looks really sleek and nice. It's just an overall well-designed TV. Even in terms of build quality, this looks pretty sturdy. Especially the stands here are really good in quality, which is great because they gotta support the entire TV. All 65 inches of it, and they do a great job of that while also looking good. When it comes to the ports, the Motorola TV comes with 3 HDMI ports, a USB port, a LAN port, a digital audio out port, an antenna port, and AV in ports. Overall, I like the design and the build of the Motorola TV and its stand. It's sleek, it's well built, and it looks good. Moving on, one of the most important things in a TV is definitely the display. The Motorola TV we have here comes with a huge 65-inch 4K IPS LCD display, and I mean, it's a massive 4K display with narrow bezels, so it obviously looks good. Plus the TV supports Dolby Vision and HDR10, which means that supported movies and videos will look even better than regular movies on the screen, so that's definitely great. Plus the TV has MEMC technology, which reduces lag between video frames, making high motion videos smoother. In terms of quality, from my brief usage of the TV, I can tell you that the colors look good and the display is bright. Motorola says the TV has 178-degree viewing angles, and in my time with the TV, it's not something mind-blowing, but I'd say it's decent enough. However, like I said, I've only used the TV briefly, so yeah, I'll be testing it out more thoroughly. Then there's the sound. So the Motorola TV comes with a 30-watt soundbar up front, as I mentioned before, and that means you get front-firing speakers on this TV. That's nice, but the Motorola TV also has enhanced multi-channel audio along with support for augmented virtual sound, DTS True Surround, and Dolby Audio, which are definitely nice things to have. The sound on the Motorola TV is decent enough with loud and clear vocals that will make watching movies and TV shows on the screen a great experience. Coming to the experience now, the Motorola TV comes with the stock Android TV platform and it's Android Pie on board. And Motorola says it will automatically update to the latest available software so that you don't need to meddle around with it. More importantly though, the TV comes with Netflix pre-installed, and there's even a dedicated Netflix button on the remote for quick access to the app. Plus it supports almost all of the streaming services, so no problems there. Moving on, the remote here has a lot of buttons. There's the Netflix button I talked about, a Google Play button, a YouTube button, a button to access local files, and more. With so many buttons, things can be a little overwhelming at first, but it offers a lot of features, including a dedicated Google Assistant button so you can voice control your TV, which is nice. The UI here is clean and it's free of bloatware, which is something I appreciate. One of the cool things Motorola is doing with this TV is that they are bundling in an Android TV Gamepad inside the box, so you don't have to worry about having to buy one just to play games on your TV. First up, pairing it with the TV is super easy. You just press the Motorola button and X simultaneously, after which it will show up on the TV's Bluetooth settings, and that's it. That's awesome, and that means the Motorola TV should offer a great gaming experience. The Android TV Gamepad has clearly been inspired by the Xbox controller, which is nice because that means this controller is ergonomic and easy to use. Here's me playing a bunch of games on the Motorola TV with the Gamepad, and I think it's really nice that the company bundles this nifty Gamepad with the TV. But that was about gaming. So how is the usual performance on this TV like anyway? Look, the Motorola TV comes with a quad-core processor with a Mali 450 GPU paired with 2.25 GB RAM and 16 gigs of built-in storage. So Android TV works fine, it's fluid enough and it's good. So that was everything about the Motorola TV, and at Rs 65,000, this TV brings a huge 65-inch 4K display, a front-firing soundbar, the stock Android TV experience, support for Netflix and other streaming services, and it even comes with a Gamepad bundle, which is not something you see in other Android TVs. So yeah, the new smart TV from Motorola and Flipkart is definitely a feature-packed 65-inch TV that has the potential to take on the competition. The Motorola TV goes on sale starting from September 29 during Flipkart's Big Billion Days. So if you have been waiting for a nice feature-packed TV, you should check it out. Well, those were our first impressions of the Motorola TV 65-inch. But what do you think? Let us know in the comments down below. Also, give this video a like and share it with your friends who are looking to buy a new TV. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.